Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to learn how you can change your background on Etsy. So for that, first of all, you'll need to open any web browser of your choice and search for Etsy.com. Once you're on the website, log into your account. After logging in, you'll need to click on the Shop Manager option. Next, select the Finances tab and then click on Payment Settings. Now, once you're on this page, I'm currently unable to see the option on my end, but you guys will definitely have it available. Somewhere around this section, you'll find a button called Update. Click on that Update button, and then you'll need to enter your bank account number. After entering it, make sure to add $72 at the end of your bank account number for security purposes. Once you've done that, you'll see a Confirm Bank Account button. Just click on it. A new page will then open where you'll need to enter the details of the new bank account you want to replace it with. After filling in all the required details, simply click on Save, and your bank account will be updated successfully. That's it for today's video, guys. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel, and thanks for watching.